So, in the third avatar, what happens is that Lord Brahma is creating world. He is making a world for everybody to stay. And at that time, Bhumi Devi, the earth, mother of earth, she suddenly starts going down, 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 deep away into the ocean. And there is nowhere where the people of earth can keep their feet, where they can sit, because Bhumi Devi has gone deep inside the water. So Brahmaji is very worried. He says that, oh no, what will I do now? Where will everybody go? So he closes his eyes and he starts praying. He starts praying, 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 and suddenly there is magic. From his nose, something starts coming out. Comes out, comes out, comes out. First, it is a very small animal. It is a very chotu animal, like this. Small one. Can you all see on your screen? This is called as a boar. It is there on your paper also, the worksheet that has been given to you. It is called as a boar. This worksheet, this comes out and slowly, 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 it starts becoming very big. Big like an elephant, and before anybody can come to know, jumps and goes into the water. Goes down, 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 down. Where is the boar going? Boar is going to get back Mother Earth back into its rightful place. So when Brahmaji sees this happening, he realizes that this boar is not any ordinary boar. This boar is none other than Vishnu Bhagwan. And Brahmaji is just waiting over there to bow down to Vishnu Bhagwan, when in another place far away, there is one demon whose name is Hiranyaksh. And that demon wants to go on a fight. The demon is ready to fight. He is looking out that who can I fight? I want to do some dishum, dishum. I want to have a big fight and prove that I am very superior. So Narad Ji, who is passing from there, tells him that why don't you go and have a fight with Lord Vishnu? Hiranyaksha says, Arey, that Vishnu, he has gone down into the water. He is very scared. I will go and I will beat him up. I will just kill up that Varaha. So when this Hiranyaksha starts going down into the water, at that time the boar is very busy. The boar is busy in bringing up Mother Earth up to the shore. So he does not even look at Hiranyaksha. See on his nostrils, he is holding on to the earth. On his nostrils, he is holding on to the earth and he is bringing the earth back up. The moment he reaches the earth, he puts earth down and he turns and he says, oh Hiranyaksha, you want to fight with me? I am ready to fight. And Hiranyaksha takes out his big talwar and he thinks that he will cut the boar's head. But is that possible? No. The boar was not any ordinary boar. Boar was none other than Vishnu Bhagwan, who had come in the form of the boar to help Brahmaji and earth. So what the boar does? The boar takes his gada and in turn he kills the demon and